Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, which is a fitness tracker. So this is the box. Let's start unboxing it. Now on opening the box, and inside of which there is the main tracker unit, which looks like a capsule. Let's take it out of the packaging. Peeling the sticker off. This is an all-glass design and is also curved, which gives it an amazing look. Let's keep it aside. Now let's take the band out. This is a TPU band which Xiaomi says is nature friendly. Keeping it aside, these are all the box content with the charger and some manuals. Sliding them aside. Now to connect the band and to set it up, we have to download the Mi Fit application from Play Store. So let's install it. Then on opening it, we have to sign in our Google account and other stuff. Then we are in. To pair the band, select the band, giving all the permissions, searching. Searching the band, then tap the band to pair it. It takes a bit of time until it gets paired with the band. Paired. Now guys, as soon as the band got connected to the app started updating it. I'll quickly skip it. Yep, almost there. Done. Then the app will show all the gestures of the band and how to use it in a simple way, and also how to wear it. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm signing out.